Hi there. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. My name is Peter. What's yours?
Nice to meet you, Peter. I'm Olivia.
Nice to meet you too, Olivia. So, what brings you here today?
I'm just out for a walk, enjoying the nice weather. How about you?
Same here. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Absolutely. I love sunny days like this. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I try to come here at least once a week. It's a great place to relax. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I do. I moved here a few months ago. How about you?
I've been living here for a couple of years now. It's a lovely area. Have you found any favorite spots yet?
I really like the coffee shop on the corner. Their lattes are amazing. Have you been there?
Yes, I love that place. Their pastries are great too. Do you usually get coffee there?
Yeah, whenever I need a little pick-me-up. Are you a coffee person too?
Definitely. I can't start my day without it. Do you have any hobbies or interests?
I enjoy reading and painting. How about you?
That sounds wonderful. I'm really into hiking and photography. Have you explored any trails around here?
Not yet, but I've heard there are some nice ones. Do you have any recommendations?
There's a great trail about 15 minutes from here. It has amazing views. Maybe we could go together sometime.
That sounds like fun. I'd love to check it out. Do you usually hike alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends, but sometimes it's nice to go alone and enjoy the peace. What kind of books do you like to read?
I'm into mystery novels lately. How about you?
I enjoy science fiction and fantasy. There's something about other worlds that fascinates me. Do you have a favorite book or author?
I love Agatha Christie. Her mysteries are so intriguing. What about you?
I'm a big fan of J.R.R. Tolkien. The Lord of the Rings is a classic. Have you read it?
Yes, it's amazing. The movies are great too. Do you watch a lot of movies?
I do. I'm always up for a good movie night. What's the last movie you watched?
I watched Inception recently. It was mind-blowing. Have you seen it?
Yes, it's one of my favorites. The plot twists are incredible. Are you into any TV shows?
I've been binge-watching Stranger Things. It's so good. Have you seen it?
Yes, I love that show. The characters are great, and the story is so captivating. Maybe we could watch an episode together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd like that.
Awesome. It's been really nice talking to you, Olivia. I'm glad we met.
Me too, Peter. Let's stay in touch.
Definitely. Here's my number. Text me anytime.
Thanks. I'll do that. Have a great day.
You too. Talk to you soon.